is the best time for you to be involved with cryptocurrency. No matter who you are, what you do, and irrespective of wherever you're coming from, this is the best time for you to be involved with cryptocurrency, because cryptocurrency is the revolution of money taking place right now before your eyes. Listen, guys, I do not want my people, especially those of you who follow Obicrypto, who watch my video and my content, I do not want you guys to wake up one morning and bite your finger and begin to say, had I know. Because listen, had I know is the last statement of a foolish man. I didn't know it was going to turn out this way is also the last statement of
You are watching
foolish
Obicrypto. Subscribe
idiot,
now.
foolish man. Do you understand? So I want to help you guys stay away from those two statements. You see, number one, had I known. Number two, I never thought it was going to end up this way. Do you understand? These two statements are the last statements of the most foolish person on the planet. And I want you guys to avoid that. Now, let me tell you people the reason why I'm making this video. Just yesterday, the Chinese government discovered a mountain that is as 2 kilometers tall from the bottom, from the depth to the top. 2 kilometers. A mountain made of gold. A mountain made of gold. Look, I'll put the image right here for you guys to see. And I hope you guys are seeing it. A mountain made of pure gold. Natural gold. Now, experts have estimated this mountain of gold to be worth over 83 billion United States dollars. 83 billion dollars. Now, guys, imagine if China should dump 50% of that mountain into the market. Imagine what will happen to the price of gold. Are you guys getting me? Remember, listen, just apply the simple law of supply and demand, or supply with price, right? Because the higher the supply, the lower the price. When there is so much availability of an item in the market, the price becomes useless.
This is not a financial advice. Do your own research.
So the more golds you have in the market, the lesser the price will be. Now, let me give you guys some context, right? How old is gold? Gold is over 6,000 years old. Yes, gold is over 6,000 years. They've been using gold since in the days of the Old Testament, since in the days of Abraham, since in the days of Moses. Do you understand? Gold, they've been using gold since that time to today for exchange of goods and services. Gold is over 6,000 years old. But guess what? How much is the price of an ounce of gold? An ounce of gold right now is selling for around $2,500. $2,500. Do you understand? $2,500 for 1 ounce of gold. But Bitcoin is just 14 years old. Just 14 years old. And 1 Bitcoin is almost $100,000. Now imagine the difference. Something that is as old as 6,000 years. Do you know how many centuries are in 1,000 years? In 1,000 years, 1,000 years contains 10 centuries. 100 years makes 1 century, right? Me and you watching this video right now will not see the next 100 years. By the next 100 years, me and you right now, both me creating this video and you watching me, our carcass would have gone already. Are you getting what I'm trying to say? Now, gold is 6,000 years old, but the price of an ounce of gold is just $2,500. While Bitcoin, that is just 14 years old, is currently selling for $97,000. Listen, guys, I have always made videos like this to draw your attention to what reality is playing out right before your eyes. Because some of you, sometimes those things that are playing right under your eyes, you don't see them. It is the one that is far that you see. Because some of you have problem with short sight. So you only see things that is far, you don't see things that are close. Do you understand? And that is why I'm trying to draw your attention to the reality happening before you. Gold has an infinite supply, in the sense that, what do I mean by that? Gold does not have a maximum supply. Tomorrow now you can hear that Nigerian government discovered 1 big mountain of gold somewhere in Adamawa or somewhere in Gombe State. And that mountain, if they should bring out all the gold here, it will be worth over 1 trillion or 10 trillion US dollars. You could hear something like that tomorrow. But you cannot hear something like that in Bitcoin. Why? Because Bitcoin has a finite supply. Gold has an infinite supply. There's no end for gold. People can continue to discover gold every day. You can dig a hole in your backyard and discover gold, right? But Bitcoin has a finite supply. That means it has a maximum supply. What is the maximum supply of Bitcoin? 21 million coins. Only 21 million coins. Now, imagine a world where we have over, in fact, let's even talk about Nigeria alone. Nigeria is over 300 million people. 200 million, sorry. Nigeria is over 200 million people. 200. While Bitcoin, there is only 21 million Bitcoin. So, if you should bring Bitcoin to Nigeria and say you want to give everybody one, it won't go round because we are 200 million. And Bitcoin is only 21 million. How can 21 million satisfy 200 million? It's not possible. So everybody cannot even get one single piece of the coin. If you say only Nigerians, they should share Bitcoins to Nigeria, there is only 21 million Bitcoins. So if Nigeria is 200 million people, how can you share it equally? Everybody should have one. It's not possible. Now, I am telling you guys this because I want people to understand that you must learn how to hedge against inflation, hedge against economy. Because if you think, oh no, I want to save my money in gold, bro, you are saving your money in gold. China just discovered a mountain made of gold, a mountain, a hill that is as tall as 2 kilometers, made of pure gold, from ground, from the bottom to top, from top to bottom, gold. And it is worth over 83 billion United States dollars. They just discovered it. Now all they need to do is to go there and fetch, bring to the market and sell, fetch and sell, fetch and sell. And that is where you want to, that is what you want to use to back up your money. You want to use that to back up your money. Are you okay? Gentlemen, if there's anything I want for you people, is to always place you guys ahead of the game, ahead of the curve. That is what Obicrypto has always been all about. All right? So guys, my name is Obicrypto with over 8 years of experience in the crypto world, and I have a lot of things I want to share with you guys. So I would advise you to like my video, follow this account right now, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and follow me on TikTok. Share my videos to your family members and friends, people that you want them to do better in life. Because if they do better, you will also be doing better. If they do better, they won't come to disturb you for money. I'll see you guys in the next video. Obicrypto over and out.
Let's just be honest. Let's just be real. Yeah, let's just be real.
You are watching Obicrypto. Subscribe now.
This is not a financial advice. Do your own research.